Hi everybody, this is Dmitry again with Credit 101 University, and today's topic is how to buy a car, how to finance the car. So if you bought a car or your friend is about to buy a car, listen up. Okay, so let's say the normal practice would be this. You go to a dealership and you sit down with the salesperson. You go look around, find your car, and they ask you, "Hey, let's get you pre-approved." And they take information, social, and what they do, they punch in your information into their system. And what happens is a few of their lenders will get notifications saying, "Hey, we got a potential lead. Do you want to run his score and pre-qualify for a certain amount?" And the lenders do that. And this is how you will stuck with a lot of hard inquiries on your credit report. I've seen people, because we do inquiry removal, so I've seen people come to us and they have like 5, 10, sometimes 20 inquiries on different credit bureaus just because they went car shopping. So do not do that, okay? Do not go to a dealership when you're trying to buy a car. So you ask me, "Dimitri, how do I buy a car? How do I finance the car?" So here's what you do. You go to the bank where you have your checking account with, and the bank that you have some relationship with. You've never been in red, your account, you never wrote bad checks, so go to that bank. Okay, you sit down with the banker and say, "Look, I would like for you to get me pre-approval letter." And the bank will run your credit one time only, and they will give you a letter. Okay, and the letter will say, "Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Johns, you are pre-approved for $40,000 in as a car loan." So you take that letter and you go into a dealership, okay? And it's actually interesting because for a dealer, you will be buying cash, okay? This is how it works. If they do have a cash discount, you just, you ask for it and you say, "Look, the bank will wire you this amount." Dealer will get the cash, okay? No financing needed. And this is how you finance the car in the right way, where your bank only will check your inquiry, your credit report only one time only, okay? Do not fall, into the trap of walking into a dealership and spending there 2-3 hours, getting pre-approval and running, numbers and getting killed with inquiries. Each inquiry will cost you up to 5 points. For example, you showed up at the dealer with 760 FICO score, and you can walk out of there with 700, maybe 20. It just depends how many times they run your credit. Okay, so just go to your local bank, sit down with the banker, get pre-approval letter, and walk into a dealership and buy a car. So if you think this video is helpful, share with your friends or people that ready to buy a car, or maybe, your family members need this advice, and comment in the video how, what happened and if you got approved and what kind of car you got. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Follow for more credit tips with Credit 101 University with Dmitry. All right. Thank you, guys.